Hi friends, Sarah here with Sara Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I'm doing a product demo on the Keep It Cool thermal backpack. So as you can see, it is in our faux leather. This is our blue distressed pebble. It also comes in our chestnut distressed pebble. And then our fields of gold, which is a beautiful yellow. You have an open pocket here in the front, and if you wanted to personalize it, this is where you would do it. The straps in the back are still the faux leather, and they are thick and padded. So this will be nice when you put the weight in on the thermal. It will be nice and supportive. And then you have your adjustable straps that are canvas, and then you have a nice handle right here in front. Otherwise, inside it is our thermal leak lock, which means that you can sit and put in ice or anything else and it will not leak out. So something like this would be perfect for tailgating or your lunch or taking on a picnic or even to the ball game if your ballpark allows you to still take in backpacks. But this runs for $98. I will post more information about it below, but if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thank you for watching.